Hello, welcome to my channel, y'all. Okay, so to start off, I'm in New York by myself. Let me add that. And we're just gonna live the life of a New Yorker, basically. My room. Let me show you my room because it's kind of cute. Okay, so here's the front door, and then that's the closet right here. We got the full-length mirror. I look like a bum today because I started my period this morning and I don't know what I'm gonna do. I want to go shopping, so I might go shopping for like some new pants, a new shirt, and like just change my outfit completely. But we'll see. This is the bathroom right here. Got the toilet that I've already used, and also the shower. And then if you look up, it has the lights, and then you could change colors on the iPad because they give you the iPad here. I thought that was pretty cute. What's this? Nothing. Okay. Here goes the vanity and mirror space. And then my bed, which is against a window. The TV, desk, all that. So I'm pretty excited to be here because I love New York. It's just the place I know I belong in. You know, like, no one really likes everyone here. Everyone is kind of like on their own, and so yeah, everyone's just busy. They got things to do, and so do I. Like, who wants to be bothered all the time? Like, Texans, they just love to talk, and I'm just like, leave me alone. But here they're just like, gotta go, get out my face. And that's what I like. That's what I like. Okay, so in New York, I got what I need, but it's the fact that I had to pay for a bag here. I'm upset. So you might be thinking, why did I come to New York by myself? Simply because I am impulsive. It was an impulsive decision. Me and my sister, we were talking about coming here for New Year's Eve, but then we saw the prices of the hotels for New Year's Eve, and then the flights were just ridiculous too. So I was like, let's go the week of Christmas then, since we don't celebrate it or whatever. And so basically I just booked it for myself, and then I was like, if you want to come, you could come. She didn't come because, no, I don't know why she didn't come. Oh, she said it was cold and that she didn't have money. I don't know, I just wanted to come, and I'm happy that I did, because if I didn't, you know, it'd be kind of a waste of money. It's such like a big shock because everyone here, well, mainly everyone here is wearing masks, and in Texas you don't have to wear a mask anywhere, and it's so weird. And then when you go to like when I checked in for the hotel here, they had to check your vaccination status. So if you weren't vaccinated, I don't think you could stay here, is basically what it is. So yeah, the New York is like on it when it comes to like trying to protect people. But yeah, we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna take this Midol because I'm cramping and it's pissing me off. We're gonna go find something to eat. Matter of fact, I don't know what I want to eat actually. I just got done eating. Pretty good. Now we're going somewhere. I cannot see. I went shopping. I'm shopping right now. Kind of getting bored. It's not a lot out here, but it's getting dark. And people are still out here, and I think that's crazy. But that's just New York living. Very dirty, like always, but I think it's just their clean day. I don't know. What is this? Is this Prada? But yeah, shopping away. I'm going to Urban Outfitters. And yeah. Look!
Hello.
Hi! Look! I found it! Sarah!
Nice. Goodbye.
I found it!
You are hilarious.
I can't see through my glasses, but today was successful. Tomorrow's gonna be busy too, and yeah, I'm heading back to my hotel because my knee hurts and it's getting dark and my phone's about to die. Well, it's not about to die, but it's in the 30s. That's about to die to me. Hey guys, back in my hotel room. My face is very crusty, very dry. My cuticles are very crusty and very dry, and my body is very crusty and very dry. But that's because I just took a shower. Like not too long ago. I just took a shower and I feel real clean. I just ordered pizza. Yeah, okay, so I just ordered pizza from this place that one of the workers, what would you call him, a worker? One of the employees here, he was like, because I wanted pizza from here. He said that they ran out. So because they ran out, he suggested some places, and he told me that the first pizzeria is down the street. And that the first pizzeria in the United States is down the street. So I was like, okay, I'll get that. So I ordered it, and it says it's going to take them about an hour to get here. So we're just waiting. I've been doing a lot. I shopped. Let me show you guys what I bought, first of all. Let me just show you. I have my onesie on right now, so it's a vibe. It's all glittery. It's from Savage. Okay, has a hood with it. Like, what? Okay. I didn't get a lot because I didn't want to spend too much because I have Afterpay and like Klarna payments coming up, so I can't spend everything. But I went to Zara. This is my first time ever shopping with Zara, and my bag ripped, so I'm pissed about that. Like, and I paid 5 cents for it again. So I'm like, why is it ripping if I have to pay for it? Anyways, I got this real cute sweater. Like, this is a statement sweater right here, and I was like, oh, gotta get that. So I got that. I got this blue sweater because they have one like close to this color at H&M, which is where I went, the first place I went to, and I just couldn't find it in my size. So when I found one that was like similar color, I got it. And then I just got a regular black bodysuit, really cute. Might wear it tomorrow, not sure. I'm from H&M. No, this is from American Eagle. I bought some jeggings. I haven't bought jeggings in a minute, but I bought some black ones. I need to try them on because there's, I know jeggings are stretchy, but still. And then from H&M, I got a sweater. And I thought it was adorable. Adorable. And this sweater was supposed to be in that blue color I just showed you. But I couldn't find my size, so I had to get a dark color, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that at all. But yeah, that's all I did today was shop. And then I saw that big Christmas tree off of off of the Elf. Yeah, I saw that. So that was an experience that I enjoyed. Like, I have this whole room to myself. It's a very big bed. I'm gonna have a lot of junk on the bed, and yeah, my pizza's on the way soon. Hopefully it's 7. It said it'll be here by 7:40 something. So not really soon. It'll be here though. When it gets here, it'll get here. Yeah, y'all. It is a new day. And I am still annoyed from last night. So remember when I said I had like photo shoots going on, so I'm not too bored? Well, this one girl, she said we talked like 2 weeks ago. Okay. We talked like 2 weeks ago and we had got the studio and everything. She agreed that she could help pay for at least half of it, and that she would be able to do it. So literally, like, late last night, the day before, she said that she's not financially able, and then something else happened that she's not able to come to the shoot. So I had a 2-hour shoot, when I had a 2-hour spot at the studio go to waste, and I didn't get the money back. So I'm irritated about that. It's 9:43. I had to be at this little museum thing at like 12, so I'm gonna attempt to find this restaurant that I ate at last time I was here. But yeah, that's what we got going today. And then I'm gonna go to the Hudson Mall Center thing. It's like these little, you have to see it, you'll see when I'm there. It's really cool. I seen it on TikTok and I was like, that's crazy. And it has like stores in it and a restaurant, so I'm gonna do that. That's what we got going today. Adventures. Tomorrow I do have a photo shoot though, because she has been messaging me non-stop and she really wants this candid shoot, so we're gonna do that at 9:30 tomorrow, I think, in Times Square. And then she said she wants to hang out, so I was like, okay, why not? I don't really care. I'm gonna put on an outfit that I just bought, because the outfits that I brought, they're not cute, so I'm gonna change it to something cute. Like, I'm gonna wear this one today. Yeah, y'all saw that yesterday. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. About to get ready. Okay. This is my outfit. I look really ugly, but I honestly don't feel like changing anymore. This is my coat that I've been wearing. Honestly, it's not that cold to be wearing a coat, but I just wear it because I am gonna be out late. I did my eyebrows and I put on mascara. And put my hair up in a minute. Jeans, shoes that I've been wearing since yesterday, and then the shirt that I said, and then yeah, let's just go.
I get to see you. But it's nice being able to come and just hang out with you, right?
I found this place on TikTok, and it's the fact that I actually found it is crazy. I'm about to explore. How do I get over there though? Look at all the Christmas lights. We got Dior. I'm freezing. Someone keeps calling my name, and I'm just headed to Sephora. That's all I'm going for. It's the only reason I'm here. Everything else is too expensive for me. I spent way too much money. Update. I got on the right train, but going the wrong way. So I was on the 6th train, but it was going towards the Bronx. And I'm like, why am I going towards the Bronx? I should be going towards Manhattan. So I get off the train and realize I'm on the wrong train. So my train is coming now. But it's like,
it's for me and
I didn't want to get lost. Hey y'all, back in my room. cool. I'm back in my room. I'm waiting until like 5:20 because I'm going to the Empire State Building, and the only available tickets that they had was skip the line, and that was pretty expensive. But I did it anyways because I want to go. I don't know if I'm gonna take my camera with me. Honestly, this whole trip was like not a waste, but like, let me just say, part of this trip that was planned was a waste because I could have left my backpack at home, but I brought it because I thought I was going to be taking pictures of people, and then both of them canceled, and I'm just like, I have all this extra stuff to carry now, you know, like that's kind of annoying. I don't want to carry it. Just waiting for 5:20 to hit, then we're going to go to the Empire State Building and be up there for a minute. Then I'm gonna come back. Well, I'm gonna get food, and then I'm gonna come back. A Ukrainian restaurant today. It was good. Ate by myself. Got to skip a whole line because it was just me. She was like, "How many is you?" And I was like, "It's just me." She was like, "Oh, okay, follow me." And I was like, it was fun. I was watching Insecure, but then like my phone's always dying, so I meant to go buy a portable charger and a charger today, but it didn't end up happening. So I'm charging my phone right now. Speaking of which, I need to put it on airplane mode so it charges faster. Yeah, I bought my grandma, because she likes sweets, I bought her some chocolates. Hopefully they're not broken. I almost lost them, but thankfully I remembered that they were where they were, because I left them at the restaurant that I was at and had to run back, and they were like, "You trying to sit down?" I was like, "No, I forgot my chocolates." And they were like, "Okay, go talk to your waiter." So I found him. He was like, "Yeah, I knew you were gonna come back, so I stored them away." And I was like, "Thank you," but I had a feeling he was gonna eat them because these chocolates are expensive, and I got her the ones with nuts because she likes to eat nuts, like peanuts and all that, and almonds. So hopefully she likes it. We'll see. Just waiting for time to tick on by. See y'all when I'm at Empire State.
This machine was not built for animals. Your avian friend will have to wait outside.
Same thing all day. Do something useful, will you? Got it, boss. All right, we're coming up to the 80th floor. You're headed to the top of the Empire State Building, right here in the heart of New York City.
Y'all hear this wind? It's so windy, my mask is coming off. I just want to see the Statue of Liberty. I think it's a tornado happening. I can't handle this. I gotta go.